Hi, it's Amber with today's Take a Breather Tech Minute. Today we're going to focus on a differentiation tool that your students can use that's super helpful to remove distractions from a web page. We're going to be talking about the Chrome extension called Mercury Reader. So let's take a look and see how it might help you and your students to remove some distractions. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the extension Mercury Reader. You'll notice the little rocket ship icon. That will let you know that you've found the correct extension. Now, I've already installed mine, so mine says remove from Chrome. But if you've never used it before or never installed it, you'll have an install button. So you'll want to go ahead and install that, and once it's installed, at the top in your extension bar, you will notice the Mercury Reader icon. Now, here's how that can help. So I've just opened up a Bumblebee article, and you'll notice all these different advertisements on the top. There's some distractions on the side, and oftentimes there are even videos that just kind of pop out and start playing. This can be really difficult, particularly for younger students who are trying to read some text online and are a little bit distracted by all the different motions and all the different advertisements on the page. So what you do with Mercury Reader is you go up to the top when you're on an article. You click on the button, and if it is a site that allows Mercury Reader to strip out the text, you'll notice it puts it in this fantastic view that looks a lot like a PDF. It keeps the links, so you'll notice anywhere there was a link, it kept it, and it puts it in this wonderful view. So some things that you have at the top that can help you, there's a settings bar, and if you know you need your font at a particular size, you can also increase or decrease your font size, as well as change your typography to a serif font or a sans serif font, whatever you prefer. If you're someone who has some vision issues and you need a dark background with light text, there is that theme possibility so that you can change that for better viewing. So after you have your settings made, you can read your article. So this is much easier to read than something that has distractions and and advertisements across the top. When you're ready to return to the way the website looks, you can click up here to exit the Mercury Reader view and return to the website. So this is a fantastic way to differentiate. I teach my students how to use it. So once you have them install it, and it is an approved extension in the HTTPS extension store, so if you'll have them download it, show them how to use it. It's super easy and can give them a lot of support to be able to strip away and read an article without all those extra things. Thanks, and don't forget to take some time today to take a breather.